Let us check about the regulatory mechanisms controlling transcription of the tryptophan operon of E. coli. The genes required for biosynthesis of tryptophan in E. coli are organized as a single transcriptional unit and is called the TRP operon. The TRP operon has a single major promoter at which the transcription initiation is regulated by a DNA binding protein, the L-tryptophan activated TRP repressor. This TRP repressor acts by binding at one or more than one of three operator sites located in the promoter region TRP operon. In E. coli, the genes required for the biosynthesis of tryptophan from the initial precursor chorismate are organized in a single transcriptional unit or operon. In this, two pairs of genes are fused, TRPC and TRPF and TRPG and TRPD. The structures of these two bifunctional proteins have been deciphered and separate polypeptide segments are concerned with the catalysis of each reaction. The relative order of the 7 structural genes TRPE, TRPG, TRPD, TRPF, TRPC, TRPB and TRPA almost corresponds to the relative order of the respective enzymatic reactions. The regulatory region of TRP operon located which is at the beginning of the operon is known to sense two signals, charged versus uncharged tRNA tryptophan and L-tryptophan. The charged and uncharged tRNA tryptophan determine whether transcription will or will not be terminated in the leader region in the operon, while tryptophan when in excess activates the TRP aporepressor. A defectively expressed internal promoter region works by providing transcripts which produce low levels of the last few enzymes of the pathway and finds use when the principal promoter is turned off. Let us see about tryptophan biosynthetic pathway in E. coli. The biosynthetic pathway of tryptophan is a complicated process. In this pathway, only one of the reactions is reversible. The principal precursor in tryptophan biosynthetic pathway is chorismate. In E. coli, the conversion of chorismate to anthranilate is mediated by the enzyme anthranilate synthase. The enzyme anthranilate synthetase is produced by the TRPE and TRPD genes from a multimeric protein comprised of 2 copies of each protein. The first two reactions in the tryptophan biosynthetic pathway is catalyzed by the enzyme anthranilate synthetase. Glutamine donates a nitrogen in the first reaction that ultimately becomes part of the completed indole ring. Anthranilate then condenses with phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate PRPP. The indole ring of tryptophan is derived from the amino group of anthranilate plus 2 carbons derived from PRPP and the ring carbons. TRPD gene codes for the enzyme anthranilate phosphoribosyl transferase. This enzyme converts anthranilate to N5' phosphoribosyl anthranilate. The next conversion is N5' phosphoribosyl anthranilate to 1-orthocarboxy phenylamino 1-deoxyribulose 5-phosphate mediated by the enzyme phosphoribosyl anthranilate isomerase, a product of TRPF gene. Indole glycerol phosphate synthase, the product of the TRPC gene which converts 1-orthocarboxy phenylamino 1-deoxyribulose 5-phosphate to indole 3-glycerol phosphate is the next enzyme which is responsible for catalyzing the next 2 steps in the pathway. TRPA, the subunit of tryptophan synthase which converts indole 3-glycerol phosphate to indole. The final reaction in the tryptophan biosynthetic pathway is the production of tryptophan from indole 3-glycerol phosphate and serine. This reaction is catalyzed by tryptophan synthase, an enzyme that is a multimer of two proteins that are the product of the TRPB and TRPA genes, and converts indole and serine to tryptophan. Let us see about the control of the tryptophan operon by repression. This is an example for repressible operon, one that is controlled by the product of the operon tryptophan. The TRPR regulator gene is repressed by its own product, the TRP repressor. Thus, the repressor protein acts to reduce its own synthesis, thus it is autoregulated. Remember, the LAC regulator gene is unregulated. A repressor encoded by gene TRPR is not linked to the operon. The repressor has low specificity for the operator and remains inactive, but will become active due to association with the tryptophan, which functions as a co-repressor. The repressor works as a tetramer of 4 identical subunits of 12,000 Daltons and control several groups of genes dispersed in the genome. For instance, the following 3 sets of unlinked genes are controlled by TRP repressor. 1. TRP EDBCA, meant for tryptophan synthesis enzymes. 2. AROH gene, which codes for an enzyme utilized in the common pathway of aromatic amino acid biosynthesis. And 3. TRPR regulator gene, repressed by its own gene product, autogenous control. A related operator sequence with 27 base pair long is found in each of these 3 genes or gene clusters, although the location of this sequence with reference to the start point may differ. The operator sequence may be actually found within the promoter, example TRP P locus, or downstream, example LAC, or upstream, example GAL. It can therefore be said that the synthesis of tryptophan is self-regulatory, since tryptophan, when present in excess, acts upon the operon firstly by feedback inhibition and secondly through co-repression to stop the synthesis of tryptophan. The major difference between LAC and tryptophan operon is that tryptophan causes an increase in the affinity of repressor protein towards the operator. In the tryptophan operon, yet another mechanism for regulation of tryptophan synthesis through leader sequences and attenuation can be found.